All right, guys. So number 3, it's asking for the equation in point slope form. So point slope, again, I'm going to write my formula. Okay, and then they give me the points. So here's my x and my y and the slope over here, m. I'm going to list them here on the side. M is 3/5, x is 1, and y equals -2. I just have to leave it in point slope form. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, and I'm going to plug in. Okay, so m is my slope, and then the other two are my points. So I'm going to plug those in, and I've color-coded in this one, just in case you didn't know what to do. Minus, that comes from the formula. Now I'm going to plug in my y1, and my y1 is -2. And then I'm going to plug in my m, which is 3/5. And then x comes from the formula, minus comes from the formula, and then I'm going to plug in the x1, which is 1. Okay, remember I have to leave it in point slope, so I would be done here, except that I have these two negatives together, or minus a negative. So I have to clear that up before I'm done. And that's it. That would be the final answer because they're asking me to leave it in point slope form. I'm going to continue on to number 4 over here. So here they're asking me for rate of change of the graph. Another word for rate of change is slope. Okay, so I'm going to move over to the graph. I know that I'm looking for slope. So here, slope equals rise over run. Okay, so now I'm going to pick 2 points. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So here's 1 point, and it is very nicely right there in the middle. And then I'm going to pick this other point here. So I'm going to do my rise. I can start at the top or I can start at the bottom. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to start here at the top. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went down 6. So my rise is going to go -6. And then my run, I went to the left 2. So that means -2. Okay, so I went down 6, -6, and to the left 2, -2. And then I simplify. So -6 divided by -2 gives me 3. And that is my slope. That's number 4.